It's going to be time for the national anthem. National anthem will be played and sung by Kenneth Mabela, who is a Tux student, and he's a bachelor in music.
Afrika maluphakanyiswa uphondo lwayo, izwa imithandazo yethu, Nkosi sikelela thina lusapho lwayo, morena buluka setšhaba sa Yesu, o fedise dintwa le matshwenyego, o se boloke setšhaba sa Yesu, setšhaba sa South Africa, South Africa. Hey, die blå van onze hemel, hey, die diepte van ons ziel, oor ons eeuwige gebergtes, waar die krans en aanbloed geef, sals the call to come together, and united we shall stand. Let us live and strive for freedom in South Africa.
Isn't that wonderful? That was Kenneth Mabela singing the national anthem, 23 years old. He's blind, he's from Soshanguve, he plays the piano as well. He's our very own Stevie Wonder. And he has got 10, 10, 10 and 9 from the judges. And that is a fantastic score. There's a 10,000 rand prize going for the best national anthem of varsity netball, and that must be right up there at the top right now. Fantastic. As soon as he brings out an album, I shall be running down to the stores to buy that. So Tucky's UJ is what we